Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're here at the dyno tune. See what this puppy makes. For real. I'm over here with Hudson. My brother probably should be around here because we're gonna park cruise a little bit or whatnot when we get out of here. Hopefully everything goes good. I brought some extra parts inside the car, and which I gotta go ahead and switch this real quick right now for the VTEC to work, because the as you can see, it broke off the oil sending unit for it, and yeah, I just gotta go ahead and replace that, which I'm gonna go ahead and do real quick before we can get it on there and see where the numbers sit at, and hopefully everything works good, because I was having an issue that, which you guys already know the issue. So I mean, yeah, it's good. Let me got the new one right here. I'm gonna plug that in real quick, and yeah, I'll pick up the camera again when I get this on there and the car's on the dyno.
So we'll just have to cut it off. We'll just set it to where it'll take on without the speed.
Oh, okay. So this one, we won't need this.
You won't need the pressure sensor.
Oh, let me put this one back in there. Yeah, it ain't all pretty or nothing like that, but
it's alright.
I got it like that for a reason. All raggedy.
Are we good to park right here? Yeah, you're fine.
And I was gonna ask you, you got Cash App or something like that?
I have Zelle and
Okay, I can do
PayPal.
Zelle.
Yeah, but you got Zelle, we can do that.
Yeah. Cause they don't charge too, so.
Yeah.
All right then.
All right.
Everything should be good. You said I don't need this.
You have a Honda in there, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Other than that, yeah, everything should be good.
Okay.
I brought my brother over here because the issue I was having with the boost. I don't know if it's the manual boost controller, so he brought me a new one that we had.
Okay. So what's going on?
It's like, I don't know, man. It's like it hits it when you're on second gear and you like slam it quick, like the boost builds up, and right when it hits like 2 pounds or 3, it just cuts off. But if you like ease into it and ease into the throttle, it would go up to the whatever mark you have it on. But it's like every time you like kick it and it spools quick, it like cuts off on like 3 pounds.
It might just be some feeling issue.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
We'll take a look.
But yeah, but I just had them come just in case if it is that, because I bought the car with this one on there. So I mean, and it should be plumbed right, if I'm not mistaken. You're gonna have to bring it up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's going to there, and then the other one's going to the wastegate down there.
Yeah.
So everything should be.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll put it up there and then see what she does.
Hopefully, man.
Yeah, give me a minute.
Yep. Sounds good, man.
That.
I like this, man. You see a lot of those out, man. I mean, that's.
ain't see that. It's my first time being face to face with a dyno.
Yeah, I've never been to a dyno before, so this is my first time too.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I found out last minute. I asked him what he was doing today. He said, I'm going to my Honda. I'm like, oh shit, can I come? I got nothing to do today. Well, except later. I gotta leave
That's where I bought all the
about
fucking
2 hours, hour and a half ish. But I don't think it'll take that long.
Not
Hopefully not.
It's just
You know what they're doing.
How long do you think this should take?
I don't know, depends.
My mom's serving right now at Roman Juliet. At least y'all want to head over there and get back to grab a drink. Like, everyone moves over there. I mean, they'll probably still let him eat because it's food.
And they're more issue about it.
Yeah, they only open for about 40 minutes.
First little chemical snap.
Man, your exhaust smells good.
You said 1.5. You need a punch. I mean, one horse. Get it, man.
Yes, sir.
You was at 0 before. He said he was at 0. I can't wait. I can't wait.
What do you make it crank?
Depends on what it is. It makes more on the crank. So
This is run, I think, like a, what, 15% loss? And then drivetrain and all that.
just make it 400 car, make it close. 146 starting off.
Little by little, man.
So did he replace that part then?
You know what I'm saying?
No, he said I didn't need it because I don't, my speed sensor's not working. So I gotta tighten it back up again. I had to make it stiff now, it's not working. Oh, getting there close to 200.
Better than now. We need 800 more horse. I mean,
Tell him to pause. I want to race him.
Yeah. Before he keeps going up.
Yeah, stop.
up to 7,000.
Yeah. They're jumping on to his hand. So there's no point of
Even doing it.
revving it up harder, you know? You got more. Yeah, but he brought the boot control.
Now he's gonna go low.
Now he's gonna fuck it up. He just probably wanted to see where those springs are at, basically. Something, man.
At least 300.
Yeah, very similar setup to this one. Smaller turbo, way smaller turbo. And this is how he was making on like E40, I think. That's what he was making on 93, so like 313, almost 360, basically.
Yeah. That was just
that's
smaller
57.
turbo.
Yeah, it's a 57 trim turbo.
Which is what I got at the house, but I switched it because
Bearing go bad or
yeah.
something? Yeah, the turbo he has on his is not. It's a cheap turbo too. But it'll be very fun with this power band. I mean, your boost is coming in at like 4,000.
Yeah. Still at 240. Well, it's 47.